The people have spoken. I put this picture up of me looking like a glazed donut a few weeks ago on my Instagram, and I had so many requests to do a tutorial on the look. So here I am today. I have created this glazed donut cream glowy makeup look for you. It is so easy. It's using a handful of products, and it's all about multitasking and applying them however the hell you want. So it's great for beginners, anyone at any level with any sort of cream product, any sort of makeup tools. You can apply most of these products with your fingers, with a beauty blender, or with a brush. So it is really the perfect makeup look for anyone, as long as you like glowing and as long as you like cream makeup. I just cannot explain how easy this makeup tutorial is, how quick it is, and it will really give you a healthy glow. So I hope you enjoy, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting out with something a little bit different today. I'm not going in with my foundation or concealer first. I'm actually going to go in and warm up my face underneath my base products before I apply anything at all. So going in with the Zuii Organic Flora Luminizing Cream. This is such a beautiful liquid product. It's perfect if you are someone who tans your body a lot and your face is not keeping up with the tan. You can apply this where you want to, or all over your face. You could even mix it in with your moisturizer for your face or your body, but I'm going to be using it to kind of warm up and almost contour my face under my base products today. You can use your fingers, a brush, beauty blender, whatever you like. I find it easier to use my beauty blender. So I'm just starting on the lower part of my cheek, kind of where you would contour. And you just want to make sure that you really push this kind of into the hairline so you don't end up with a gap between your skin and your hair. So this is going to add a subtle warmth to our cheeks. And it doesn't have to be too neat because we're going in with our base products over the top of this. And then anything left over, I'm going to put that on the top of my forehead around my hairline and bring it down to meet that cheek glow. If you want a sun-kissed sort of look where the sun would naturally hit your face is your nose. And just to add a little bit more contour, I'm just going along the jawline. Now that we've added some color and warmth, I'm going in and just adding a little bit of coverage. Now, if you have really nice skin, you may not even need to apply a foundation or a concealer, or you could just put concealer where you need it. It's really about layering and just getting that desired coverage that you want. I'm just applying a really light layer to even everything out and blend it all in. And I'm starting out with the Vapour Atmosphere Luminous Foundation in 123. This is a cream stick. So again, this look is all about convenience. You can apply this straight onto the skin, blend it out with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge, whatever you find easiest. So I'm just kind of putting this in a really light layer. And I'm not going to put it over the top of that bronzer. I'm actually just going to kind of blend the product. And then I'm just taking my RMS Beauty Cream Concealer in 22 and putting that under my eyes just to brighten those dark circles. So this is all about convenience. As you can see, I haven't blended out the foundation yet. I'm actually just going to blend the concealer and the foundation at the same time with a beauty blender, and you could do that easily again with your hands or any tool that you like. So just any redness, I will dab a little bit of that concealer on as well. And now we bounce. So nothing fancy going on here. I'm just going to sit here and bounce away quickly until this is all blended in. That was so quick and easy. Now, I don't want to really apply powder, but I do look a little bit shiny. So I'm literally going to apply it just on the center of my face here, particularly just to get rid of the reflect that my under eyes are getting there. It just helps eliminate those circles even more. Like I said, this is all about the cream products, so I'm not really applying too much at all. It's just taking that shine away. And I don't want to apply any powder around here because I'm still going to be layering some more products there. See what a difference that makes? Okay, we're going to keep things moving with the cheeks. This is a little bit different for me. You all know I don't use blush, like, ever. Once in a blue moon. But I have this gorgeous lip and cheek cream from Zuii Organic here. This is in the colour Helene. So I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. So this is the colour here, but it's quite muted, especially using a beauty blender. So I'm just patting that on the back of my hand until I kind of can see how much is going to apply to my skin. And then just kind of blending it into the bronzer. And the good thing about applying products like the way that I have is if you apply too much of something or something needs to be blended out, you can just go back in with a little bit more cream makeup or concealer and go over the top of it just to mute it a little bit more. And you can kind of just clean up the lines using the tip of your beauty blender. To finish off the cheeks, I'm going in with the Perez Vanilla Highlighter in Sun Halo. This is so perfect for this look because it's not a really light highlighter. It's quite a dark highlighter and it's almost like a bronze, but look at that shine. It is so beautiful and I wish you could smell this. It literally smells like vanilla. So I'm just going in with my finger and applying this just above where we already have the bronzer and the blush. And it's kind of going to give us a highlight, but like I said, it's not really a light color, but it's just going to give us that little bit of reflect. And another reason why this is good is you can apply a little bit of highlight to your nose, but it's going to give you more of a sun-kissed look because that's where the sun would naturally kind of tan your face. Moving on to the eyes, this is the best thing about this type of makeup look is you're using the same sort of products and using our hands, and it's great for mums on the go or people who don't have a lot of makeup tools. So I am just recycling what I've already used. I'm going in with the Zuii Organic blush again, and I'm actually just going to use my finger and I'm going to put this on the center of my lids. Now I know this sounds really weird, but just bear with me. So I don't really want to go too far out and I don't want to go up into my crease with this color. This is just sticking on the center part of my lid. And now I'm going back in with the Perez Sun Halo Vanilla Highlighter. Now this I'm applying either side of the pink and also just smudging it up into my crease. So it's all going to blend together and we end up with this pop of this beautiful pink on our lids. And then I'm just blending that through the crease. So this is just the easiest makeup tutorial ever because you can't really mess it up. Using these type of products and applying them in the way that I have, you can't really mess it up because it's not supposed to look perfect. I'm just getting a really small sort of pencil brush and taking the Perez Sun Halo again. I'm just going to drag that kind of messily just along my lower lash line. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with the Vapour Illuminator Highlighter in Moonlight. And this will tie in really nicely because it's kind of a pinky toned highlighter, which I don't often use, but it's perfect for this look. And I'm just taking another pencil brush. And this color is just going to sit on the very inner part of the eye here. Now, if you want to go in with mascara, you can. I'm actually opting not to today. One, because I'm lazy, and two, I just think it looks so nice as it is. Like, I feel like I just don't want to take away from any of that gloss. For brows, because this is kind of a cream theme, I'm going in with my Ecobrow Defining Wax in Penelope. rather than using a gel or a pencil. So nothing fancy going on here, just my usual brow fill-in. Okay, to add some hydration to my lips, you can use a lipstick if you want for this, but I'm just going in with my Lanolips, and this is super glossy, going with the dewy, creamy sort of theme. Okay guys, so that is it for my easy cream makeup tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. It is really great for anyone who doesn't have a lot of makeup tools, or if you're busy and lazy, it's great to use these products because you can multitask with them. So I hope you found it helpful anyway, and if you do have any questions for me about any of the products or application techniques, colors, leave me your comments down below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.